Hi everyone. Today I wanna show you unboxing of the Black Decker A7183-XJ screwdrivers and drill bit kit set. Before the unboxing you can see the box here, soup.com. It is a Middle East online company. Okay. Let's open the box. Here is the bill, only $35 for 2 set of tool kit, including the shipping charge. I ordered 2-piece, one for my friend, and one for me. The hand tool kit set comes in a handy and a strong storage case that features a transparent cover for quick, easy identification of accessories. And is also designed with removable bit holders so that anyone can remove the bit bars from the case for ease and convenience. The Black Decker hand tool kit contains 17 pieces, different sizes drills to dig wood, metal, and masonry drilling. It contains 5 wood drilling bits ranging from 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 mm bits. 8 metal drilling bits ranging from 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 5 and 6 mm bits. 4 masonry drilling bits ranging from 5, 6, 7 and 8. The bits are manufactured from titanium metal with good quality, to provide excellent drilling and greater durability. Take a close look. So this accessory set contains drill bits for masonry, metal and wood drilling. So you have everything that you need to get started on any home improvement task. Okay. Now look here, there are 11 screwdriver bits, 1 countersink bit, and 1 magnetic bit holder. 7 screwdriver bits are 25 mm in length. And 4 screwdriver bits are 50 mm length. The magnetic bit holder makes screwdriving so much easier. The magnetic bit holders are very useful in some situations. The obvious advantage is that the bit is magnetic, so screws will not fall off even when you point your drill straight down. The countersink bit allows anyone to create the perfect finish in any screwdriving tasks. The Black Decker A7183-XJ screwdrivers kit contains 17 pieces of drill bits, and 11 pieces screwdriver bits, 1 magnetic bit holder and 1 countersink bit. The storage case is very strong and easy to use, able to access bits easily, removable bit holders, and able to take bit bars out of case. So, This is a great product from Black & Decker. Thank for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.